When it comes to 2D to 3D, then you will be having 5 different modes. The modes are, there is one standard mode, there is a manual mode you could adjust yourself, then there is a cinema mode, there's a sports mode, and there is an extreme mode. So all the modes will be shown now. I will try to show you guys how this how that is different. So for watching 3D, it's very easy. Just once you have the source, either it is from a pen drive, or either it is from a hard disk, or from a media server, or where or whatever, you could give the source, and the source will be easily recognized either you could recognize it and you could select it manually, or you could turn it on. The setting can be turned it on, like it will be selected automatically. So now I have selected it like 2D to 3D option. So that's why you are having all these options shown over there. You will be having this standard, manual, cinema, sports, and extreme. So as you could see, upon selecting any one of these options, from my own experience, I am telling, I didn't find much difference. But what happens is, if the 2D source that you are having is almost static, means for example, you could see it here, nothing is moving in the it's a picture or something. So in that case, if you are putting extreme, then you will be having a very huge depth created between all these all these objects present inside the image. That's why the image got really blurred, because the 3D effect is that much high. So once the glasses, I will show you guys, look at that. Once the glasses are coming, then I know you won't be able to perceive this in a 2D television or something like that, but it is actually there, and it is having a very decent effect, and there is no crosstalk or something like that, or there is any disturbing effect. I know there is a limitation how far I could show you guys, but from my own words, I could say like, yes, it's working really good. And so I will show you the different modes, and I don't think you will be able to recognize a very high difference, but there is frame limitation inside these videos. So almost all the static objects will be having different kind of depth levels once you are selecting either one of these modes. And personally, I like the standard mode because it's having a high full backlight conditions, and it's working real normal. And this is the controls that are available. You could control the depth, and you could control the viewpoint. Viewpoint is controlled like if you're sitting almost more than 45-degree inclined to the TV, then you could feel like objects are not projecting towards you, or the 3D effect is not so good. So in that case, you could select the viewpoint, and after adjusting the viewpoint, the crosstalks will be too limited. Means you will face crosstalks only once you are not inclined with the line of vision of the TV. So once you correct the line of vision with the TV, the crosstalks will be too limited, and you won't be experiencing any problem.